Are you a marketer and you want to change the way people view your emails based on the device that they're viewing from, whether it be desktop or mobile? I'm going to show you how you can quickly change and remove sections in your email based on the device directly in the email builder. Let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to want to be on the sub account level. On the left-hand side, just go ahead and click on marketing. From there, we're going to go to the top and select emails. Once you're in emails, you can go ahead and create a campaign, or you can select a template. I'm going to go ahead and click the plus new button here. You can start with a blank template, or you can use one of the email marketing templates. I'm going to go ahead and select those templates. So go ahead and find a template that goes with your niche and brand. I'll select this one here and then hit continue. It's going to go ahead and add the template. Once the template is open, you'll notice that you have your email template here with various layout blocks. Now, I'm going to go ahead and select this layout block here, and you can see that we have a mobile icon as well as a desktop icon. They're both white, which means that this is going to show on both desktop and mobile. But let's say that you have a section of the email that you do not want shown on mobile devices. You only want them shown on desktop view. I'm going to go ahead and deselect that mobile icon. So now let's preview what this will look like. So at the top, you're just going to go ahead and click on desktop, and you'll see that this section of the block is still here. Then now you can see that it is showing on the mobile device. So go ahead and start editing your email today and select which layout blocks you want visible on mobile or desktop. Additionally, I want to talk about best practices when it comes to your responsive layouts. So you want to use desktop-only layouts for wide or multi-column designs. If you're using mobile-only layouts, a single column content or maybe a call to action button would be best for this case scenario. Don't forget to preview and test send to confirm what's being shown or hidden. I always test my emails before sending them so that I can see what they look like on both mobile and desktop. So go ahead and pair our layout visibility with your element level visibility for expert precision.